In a modern construction business, it's vital to keep one step ahead of the competition and reduce unnecessary costs. So, how you manage project overruns during construction? Lot of stakeholders, lots of documents, lots of risk need to manage in a short period of time. Can you keep up with the massive volumes and derive intelligence from your data? You're left constantly searching, worrying about compliance, and struggling to keep track of the whole completion process of piling. Which kind of workers should be allocated per day to maintain operation efficiency? The good news is smart construction analytics can be competitive advantage your organization needs. Imagine a world where all your construction data is connected and even alerts you to potential issues. So you can review the whole piling process, workforce management, and address safety issues proactively. It's possible with Explora.